I would like to include also the decision of the Supreme Court, no? Palagay ko, ang kasama dun yung tinatawag nating forthwith, eh. Ibig sabihin, hindi na magkakaroon ng problema as far as delaying the impeachment is concerned. Sapagkat pinilawan na yung forthwith, eh. Dapat talaga, forthwith na yan, no?
Yeah.
Now, hindi ko alam yung with the leadership of the Senate, for example, ang concern ng ibang mga congressman kasi namin, baka hindi na naman manalo ito sa Senado, eh. Kapagkat, look, it will take about, 16 senators
Votes, yeah.
to vote for the impeachment. Samantalang mayroon pa itong mga 7 na lang dahil si Senator Bato hindi na makita kung nasaan, eh. 7 na lang. Still, with that 7, talagang walang mangyayari sa impeachment.
Pero sabi nila, mas importante na ba ilahad doon sa court, sa impeachment court, lahat ng ebidensya na ihahatag ninyo?
Well, of course, Joby, alam mo naman na sinasabi palagi nila na this is more of a political exercise. So,
Yes.
politics will play a role here, eh. More than the real evidence.
Yeah.